Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be continuing standard 9th math second chapter number 7 coordinates geometry. My dear students, today we will see the question number 7 of practice set 7.2. Okay, it is also very much easy. We have to plot the points. Okay, some points are given over there. We will plot it in the graph. Okay, and we have to see these 3 points are collinear points. Collinear means the points are in a straight line. Okay, so if they are collinear, then we have to write where that line is intersected to the x-axis and the y-axis. We have to write the coordinates of that point as well. So my dear students, it is very much easy. Please start the question. See here, question number 7 of practice set 7.2. Read it. On a graph paper, plot the points A 2, 3, B 6, -1 and C 0, 5. If those points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. We will plot these points first. See, we will draw it on the graph paper only. See, we have to draw x-axis horizontal line, y-axis vertical line. Then we have to mention the scale. Scale is on the both axes 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Then we will plot the point A. See, point A is having two coordinates. 2 on x, 2 is x coordinate and 3 is y coordinate. So on x axis we will find 2. Where is 2 here on x axis? This is 2. Okay, so we will write over here 2. We will circle the 2. Now on y axis 3, positive 3. So what we will do? We will circle here positive 3. Right? Now we will join them with the help of the scale, and with the help of the pencil we will make a line over there. See here, I will draw a line. You know very well how to draw the lines. Wherever this point meet each other, that point is point A, right? It is A, and A is 2, 3. Okay, the first one done. Now see B, 6, -1. So on x axis, x coordinate is 6. So where is 6? Here, right? It is here. So we will circle on 6. And on y axis it is -1. It is -1. So this is -1, right? Here x axis, on y axis it is -1. So y axis -1 is below the x axis. So this is. Now we will draw the line. So wherever these two lines will intersect, that is your point B. Okay, this point is your B point, and it is 6, -1. 6, -1. Now the third one, that is C point. It has two coordinates. X coordinate is 0. It means you will not write anything. Y coordinate is +5. So y coordinate is +5. It means upper side of x axis. This is the +5. So directly we will mention here this is C. Okay, C 0, 5. Okay. So now we have to join these points. See, B, A and C. We will join B, A, C. Okay, we will join it and we will see it is a collinear points. Okay, it is a collinear points. Can you see this line? It is a collinear points. Okay. Do you understand how to draw this? First you will plot the point A, then you will plot the point B, then you will plot the point C, and then you will see that these 3 points, this was A, this was B, and C is on y-axis only. So we have to draw a line. See, if those points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Okay, it is include. Write the coordinates of the points. Okay, write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersect the x-axis and the y-axis. It means first we have to write, are they collinear? Yes, we will write yes. These points are collinear points. Yes, it is. They are collinear points. Okay, you can write like this: A dash, B dash, C are collinear points. Now we have to write the coordinates. The coordinates of the points at which the line intersect the x-axis. You will write the first one, the coordinates. The coordinates of the points at which the line intersect. See, I am watching from the question only. Intersect the x-axis is on x-axis. Please pay attention. This is x-axis. So it intersect at which point? Tell me here. X is equals to 5, right? You will write x is equals to 5. It means you will write the coordinates. It means x is 5 and y is 0, right? See here, pay attention here. This is the x-axis and this line intersect x-axis at point. See, at the coordinate 5. It means x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0. Okay, now see the next one. The coordinates of the points at which the line intersect the y-axis is. Now see, this line is intersect the y-axis at 5. It means x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate is 5. I hope you understood this question. These points are collinear. Yes, these 3 points lying in a straight line. ये तीनों point straight line में है. Therefore, it is a collinear points. This line intersect the x-axis or at coordinate 5. It means here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0. This line intersect the y-axis at 5. It means here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. So I hope you understood this answer. Please copy the same in the graph book. So dear students, now we will see the question number 8. Please read it carefully. Draw the graphs of the following questions on the same system of coordinates. Write the coordinates of their points of intersection. It means we have to solve this equation, then this equation, then this equation, and then this equation. Then we will draw lines and we will see where they intersect each other. Okay. First we will write this equation. Equation number 1, x plus 4 is equals to 0. How we will write it? Just tell me please. That is, this can be written as, just tell me. This minus 4 will go to the number. This plus 4 will go here, right? So it will be x is equals to minus 4. Right? Because x plus 4 is equals to 0 means this plus 4 will go to the right hand side. That is, x is equals to minus 4 plus 0 means minus 4. Now the second one, we will see the second, that is y minus 1 is equals to 0. Same. Okay. Same like this plus 4 goes there. Now this minus 1 will go there. So that is, you can write y is equals to 1. Yes or no? See, minus 1 will go to the right hand side. It will be plus 1. So y is equals to 1. Now solve this one. 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. So first this plus 3 will go there. Yes. So you will say 2x is equals to minus 3. Okay. Now after this 2 and x is having multiplication between both of them. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So this 2 will go there, right hand side it will divide minus 3. Okay, so you will write therefore x is equals to minus 3 upon 2, which is equals to 3 ka half, it is 1.5. 3 ka half there 1.5. But see, numerator is negative, so answer also will come negative. It will minus 1.5. Is it clear? Minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 will be where? On x-axis. See, x is equals to minus 1.5. So on x-axis minus is here. and 1 and 2 is here, so 1.5 will come in between, इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा, right? Now see the next one, 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So now similarly you will solve like this only. This minus 5 will go to the right hand side, therefore 3y is equals to plus 15. Okay, therefore you will say 3y, 3 multiplied by y. 3 and y is having multiplication, so this 3 will go to the right hand side, it will divide the 15. Therefore y is equals to 15 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So answer will come y. Y is equals to 5. Answer will come y is equals to 5. It means y is equals to 5 means on y line, 5 is here, you will draw a line. Is it clear? Now see, one by one you will draw a line. X is equals to minus 4. First one, x is equals to minus 4. Where it is on x axis, minus 4 is here. So I will draw this line. Okay. This is x is equals to minus 4, right? I will mention over there. Draw a straight line. This line is off. I will write here the question, this one, whatever given was there, x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now the second one, y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 is here. Can you see here? Y is equals to 1 is here. I will draw a line. Yes, I will mention here y is equals to 1 means it was y minus 1 is equals to 0. We will write the equation. Okay, हम equation ही लिखेंगे वहां पर. Now see, this x plus y is equals, x plus 4 is equals to 0 and y minus 1 is equals to 0 intersected each other here at this point. Okay, so what is the coordinate here? Coordinate of x is minus 4 and coordinate of y is minus, coordinate of y is 1. See, y is 1. So you will write over here minus 4 and 1. Minus 4 and 1, right? Now see the second one here. Third one, x is equals to minus 1.5. X is equals to minus 1.5. So between these, okay, we will take here in between this. We will take the middle point. Okay, middle point, that is minus 1.5. You will draw a line. So this is, this point is minus 1.5. So you will write the equation over there, that is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, this one 2x. Can you see here, this line intersected this y minus 1 here? Yes or no? Yes. So you will write here coordinate of x was minus 1.5 and y is 1. Right? Minus 1.5 and y coordinate is 1 here. यहाँ पे ये लाइन इंटरसेक्ट हुई, ये लाइन इस लाइन से इंटरसेक्ट हुई. So यहाँ पर x कितना है? minus 1.5 and y is how much? 1. Okay. Now see the next one. 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5. You will draw here y is equals to 5. Okay. So I will write here the equation 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. Can you see this line also intersected both the lines over there? यहाँ पे भी intersect हुआ है. Yes. So here at this line, how much x? X is minus 4 and y is 5. Yes. See, x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 5. See this line also now. So x coordinate is minus 1.5 and y coordinate is 5. Is it clear? So this is how you have to write the point of intersection of each other. So this is question number 8. I hope you understood. First we will solve the equations according as we have seen earlier how to solve the equations. We will solve here, then we will plot the lines and we will write the point of intersection, coordinates of intersection. See here, same system of coordinates, write the coordinates of their points of intersection. these lines intersected each other, so we have written their point of intersection. I hope you understood. It is very much easy. See, first this line we will draw, second this line we will draw. Okay, they intersected each other here. So y x coordinate is -4 and y coordinate is 1, right? Now we will draw this 1.5. So -1 और -2 के बीच में -1.5. You will draw this line. So this line also intersected these two lines each other. Yes. See here. So it is -1.5. X पे -1.5 and y पे 1. Okay. Now we will draw the third one. The third one is third one is y is equals to 1. Second one, third one, this one we have drawn. Now we have to draw this y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 we will draw. This line will intersected each other. यहाँ पे x कितना है -4 and y 5. Here x कितना है -1.5 and y 5. Is it clear? This is how you have to solve the question number 8. I hope you understood. So dear students, now after question number 8, we will see the question number 9. It is very much important. Okay, it is very much important. We know how to solve this because this kind of questions are there in 10th standard as well. Okay, so I am telling you this is very much important. Please pay attention how to solve. See, question number 9 is draw the graphs of the questions given below. This is first equation, second equation, third equation. So my dear students, first we will solve the first equation and we will take its minimum 3 coordinates of each. Okay, so now what we will do, we will solve the first equation, that is x plus y is equals to 2. We have to draw the table like this. The first coordinate will be x, x, x. The second coordinate will be y, 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 and at last we have to write x coordinate minus comma y coordinate, x coordinate comma y coordinate, x coordinate comma y coordinate. So my dear students, in this condition we will write the first equation below that table. Okay, then we will consider here, put x is equals to, according to us, हमारे हिसाब से we will take any number, but take minimum number. You can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I will take, put x is equals to 1. I will put x is equals to 1. So I will consider here at the place of x I will write 1 plus y is equals to 2, right? So x is equals to 1. You have considered x is equals to 1. Now we will solve this equation and we will get y coordinate. Okay, now see, the number will go to the number, right? So therefore y is equals to 2 and this one will go to the right hand side, it will be -1. So therefore y is equals to 1. Is it clear? Y is equals to 1. So what you will write at last, 1 x coordinate and 1 y coordinate. Is it clear? This type you have to solve the at least 3 coordinates of each equation. Is it clear? Now see, we will solve the, again we will take this equation. ये equation आपको बार-बार लेना है to complete this table. Okay, so you will write again, see, x plus y is equals to 2. Now again you will consider as per your choice. आपके हिसाब से consider करो, x is equals to 0. So I will write here x is equals to 0. So now wherever x is here I will put 0. The remaining equation you will write as it is. Therefore y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2. So what you will write here? First you will write the x coordinate 0, comma, second you will write the y coordinate, that is 2. Is it clear? Now see the next one. Again we will take this equation only. See, x plus y is equals to 2. Now put x is equals to, suppose -1. X is equals to -1. So I will write over here x is equals to -1. Now we will get y coordinate. So wherever x is there I will write -1 plus y is equals to 0. Now this -1 will go to the right hand side, it will plus 1. So therefore y is equals to 2 plus 1. So therefore y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. So what you will write here, y x coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is 3. So this is how you have to draw a table and you have to solve minimum these 3 coordinates, okay, 3 columns by utilizing the same equation. Okay, so this is how, now this is, you have solved the first equation. अब आपने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया है, यू गॉट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स हियर, c1, 1 फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, 0, 2 सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट, -1, 3 थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट. So these points you will plot in the graph. Okay, आपको ग्राफ बनानी है, x axis, y axis, and then you have to show these points on that graph. Is it clear? You have to plot these three coordinates. See, 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 points are there, and these coordinates you have to show on the graph. So now we will solve the second one like this. See here, the second one also. So second one equation is 3x minus y is equals to 0. Now again you will draw the table like this. Okay, you will draw the table x, then y, and at last x comma y, right? You will draw the table one by one. You will solve the graph. Okay, so my dear students, here also you will write the equation again, that is 3x minus y is equals to 0. Now again what you will do, put x is equals to 1. So put x is equals to 1. Then wherever x is there you will write 1, that is 3 multiplied by 1 minus y is equals to 0. So 3 ones are 3 minus y is equals to 0. Now this 3 will go that side, right? So it will be minus y is equals to minus 3. This plus 3 will go to right hand side, it will be minus 3. So this minus and this minus will get cancelled. So therefore y is equals to 3. It means it will come here 3. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate will be 3. I hope you understood how to solve. Again you will write this equation only. वही equation आपको दो बार और use करना है. So you will write 3x minus y is equals to 0. Then you will solve. Put x is equals to 0. Then you will write x is equals to 0. Then you will put here 3 multiplied by 0 minus y is equals to 0. Okay, so 3 zeros are 0 minus y is equals to 0. So therefore y is equals to 0. See, it is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is also 0. It means 0, 0. Where will be the 0, 0? Origin. 0, 0 कहां पर होगा? Origin पर होगा. Is it clear? Now next again we will take this 3x minus y is equals to 0. See, this equation आपको बार बार यूज करनी है. Okay. So you will write now, put x is equals to 2. Put x is equals to 2. See, so I will write x is equals to 2. So therefore 3 multiplied by 2 minus y is equals to 0. So this is 3 2s are 6 minus y is equals to 0. So this 6 will go to the right hand side. Therefore we will write minus y is equals to minus 6. So this minus and minus will get cancelled. Therefore y is equals to 6. Therefore y is equals to 6. So you will write here 6. Now x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate will be 6. This is how you have to solve this. Again you will get 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, so these coordinates you will show in the graph book. You will plot this point, x पे 1, y पे 3. x also 0, y also 0. It means origin पर होगा this point. 2, 6. It means 2, 6 means x coordinate is 2 and 6 coordinate y coordinate is 6. So like this you will solve the third one as well. Okay, you have solved this. Now the third equation also you will take. See, the third equation is here. I am taking this third equation here. 2x plus y is equals to 1. Third one, you will draw the table. this is x, this is y, and at last it is x comma y. Now you have to draw the 3, yes. Now what you will consider, you will write the equation here again, 2x plus y is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 according to you, no problem, any value you can consider. So now you will write therefore 2 multiplied by 0 plus y is equals to 1. So now what you will write here, 2 zeros are, okay, 2 zeros are 0 plus y is equals to 1. So therefore what you will write, y is equals to 1. It means here it will come 1, you will write coordinate 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. So this is how you have to solve the equation, okay. This is how you have to solve the equation. Now again you will copy the equation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 1. Again you will put x value as per your choice, put x is equals to 1. So you will consider here x key value 1. So you will write here 2 ones are 2 plus y is equals to 1 is equals to 1. So 2 ones are 2 plus y is equals to 1. Then what you will do here, this 2 will come to 1, so therefore y is equals to 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Is it clear? So y is equals to minus 1. So you will write here it is minus 1. So what is x coordinate? 1 and comma y coordinate is minus 1. I hope you understood. Again you will write the equation, this equation only, 2x plus y is equals to 1. Again you will put x की value as per your choice. Put x is equals to 2. x is equals to 2. So now we will keep x place 2, that is 2 2s are 4 plus y is equals to 1. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 plus y is equals to 1. Now this 4 will come here, it will minus 4. Therefore we will write y is equals to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, that is 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, therefore y is equals to minus 3. So you will write over here it is minus 3. Okay. So at last you will write x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is minus 3. Okay, this is how you will write the coordinates. I hope you understood how to solve this. Okay, so now you got the 3 coordinates, points 1, 2, 3. These points also you will show on the graph. Is it clear? So what you will do, this point you will show on the graph, these points you will show on the graph, these points you will show on the graph. Okay, so this is how you have to solve these 3 questions. It is very much important question for your 10th standard. Okay, it is very much important. You can draw the 3 different graphs, one graph for this, one graph for this, one graph of this, or you can show all the points in the one graph also, no problem. Is it clear? This is how you have to show. So it is better if you will draw 3 different graphs. Draw 3 different graphs for this first, one more graph for this second, and one more graph for that third. Okay, the values x is equals to 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, anything you will consider according to your favorite choice. Okay, I hope you understood. So best of luck and thank you so much.